Okay, guys, let's not waste time. Let's start the lesson. Yay, let's do this. Wait, somebody's talking to me. And blah, 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 blah. Alrighty. I hope you guys can see the screen. All right, could I get you guys to give me a thumbs up if you can see the screen? All right, fine. I got all 7 thumbs except for Josiah. Josiah, can you see the screen? Okay, perfect. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do vocabulary, grammar, and synthesis. So a little bit of that. And Josiah is laughing. I don't know who's sending a private text. Are you okay, darling? You okay? All right, let's do this. All right, very quickly before that, just want to ask you.
Tomorrow. Today is tomorrow. Tomorrow is my English WA1.
Today is tomorrow, and yes, Caitlin.
So tomorrow is my English WA1.
Oh, tomorrow is your WA. What is your WA? What part is it? Like, what is it? Vocabulary? Is it grammar? Is it
Cloze at synthesis and transformation.
Oh my God, it's perfect. So this is a good practice for you then, right? Right, Caitlin?
My W is also tomorrow.
Your W is also tomorrow, Vihan.
Yeah, but it's the full, and that is the full paper.
Oh wow, for your W you've got a full paper, not just parts section.
I'm already done with my exam.
Oh, when is Penny? What was your WA? Which section was it?
Everything.
A full paper is Vihan as well.
Yes.
Schools, I think, have got different systems and everything. But never mind. End of the day, we just want to get practicing, and Tanmei's paper is over as well. I have had my WA for composition. Oh, Pranusha's one was composition. Xiangkun is also having WA tomorrow. So Vihan, Xiangkun, and Caitlin is having WA tomorrow. Tanmei is finished. Pranush is finished. Pinny is finished. Josiah, when is your WA?
I already had my WA.
Had your WA already?
Last week.
Friday. Tanmei's one was paper 2. Pranush one was paper 1. All right. Okie dokie, let's do this. All right, so we're going to do grammar and vocabulary and close. I just want to have a quick, just find out whether, have you had time to look through these questions already? Have you had time to do it? Shall I go through the answers, or do you need time? All right, let's very quickly. Caitlin, have you finished? Yes or no? If no means I'll give you 2 minutes. Quick, yes, no? Yes, finished. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you're finished, a thumbs down if you haven't finished. Got it? All right, Xiangkun, thumbs up. Pranush, thumbs up. Josiah, thumbs up. Tanmei, thumbs up. Pinny,
Wait, is it thumbs up if you're...
thumbs up if you've finished the vocabulary. All right, so Josiah's thumbs up. Thank you, darling. Caitlin, thumbs up. Pinny. All right, perfect. So we don't need to wait for anybody now. Let's do the answers together now. All right, give me a second because I'm going to take out my my secondary device and pull out this thing. I am actually so hungry. I came from the airport. I have barely slept. So I'm running on some. You guys need to be very nice to me today, okay? Ms. G, Ms. Gloria is very tired today. But
imagine the black screen happens again.
Vihan, why are you cursing me, sweetheart?
It's not a curse. The curse has been started from the first lesson.
No, today
the curse will continue.
Today it will not happen. Today is going to be an amazing day, and I can't find my worksheet. Hang on. Week 6, week 7.
I wish.
Week 8. Okay, got it. Please 6. Hang on. I'm coming. All right, so we've got about 10 questions today for vocabulary. Hang on. And we're going to do this, okay? Someone is private texting me. Okay. All right, so the first question, okay, so as I go through this question, I'm going to pick someone up and I'm going to ask you guys, can't see this, sorry. I'm going to ask you guys, not just what is the answer, but why are the rest not the answers, okay? So let's start with, okay, so this is the order that we're going to do for the whole of today, okay? Listen up, this is the order that I'm giving you. First question is always going to be done by Caitlin. Second question is always going to be done by Xiang Kun. Third question is
I'm
always,
doing first question.
yeah, first. Second is always Xiang Kun. Third is always Pranush. Fourth is always Josiah. Fifth is always Tanmay. Fifth is Tanmay. Sixth is Pinny. And seventh is Vihan. Okay, so if it's question 8, Nan, Caitlin, you're going to come back again. Okay, darling? All right, are we ready?
So
That's-
I'm just doing question 1, right?
Yeah, but once it finishes after 7, then you come back to 8. So you're going to be 1, 8, 16. Do you get it?
So I'm doing 1, 8, 16, and
No, sweetie. What I'm saying is that this is the order that you're following. So if we come to question 1, it will always be you. Once
Okay.
7 of you all are finished, whatever the question is, it's going to come back to you. So we're just going to
Okay.
follow the order today. Everybody clear? Okie dokie, let's do this. All right, let's look at the first question. The runners in the marathon were given isotonic, this is how you pronounce it, isotonic drinks to dash their thirst. Caitlin, what's the answer?
the answer is the runners in a marathon were given isonic drinks to quench their thirst.
Quench. Okay, so when I am going through the answers, could you take a pen or something, look at your, either open a double screen or do something to mark your answers, because I also want to find out how much you got. Okay, thank you. The answer is quench. But I also want to find out, why is it, Caitlin? So this is what everybody, sorry, Caitlin, you're the first person. Why is it not extinguish? When do we use the word extinguish for what? Do we say it for water or thirst, or do we say it for what? Caitlin?
Yes.
When do we use extinguish?
Like when there's a fire.
Thank you. All right, whenever there's a fire, we use the word extinguish, so therefore it will not be. Okay, what about inhibit and what about deprive? When do we use these?
Inhabit is like
You know what is the difference of inhibit and exhibit? Inhibit means you're stopping people from showing out. Exhibit means you're expressing yourself. This is you're not expressing yourself. All right, so you inhibit, normally inhibit, you'll be inhibit feelings. All right. And deprive, when do you say deprive? Deprive means you're lacking. All
yeah.
right. All right, so you're deprived of sleep, you're deprived of food. Yes, darling. Got that? Okay, guys. So I want you not to know what, not only just why, what is the answer, but also why the other answers are not answers. Are you getting it? Do you understand what I'm saying? We know the answer is quench, but we need to also know why is it not B, C, and D. It is not B because normally we use the word extinguish with fires. It is not C because inhibit is always used with feelings. And we will not use deprive because deprive is normally used with sleep and food. And all right? So that's the reason. All right, well done. Let's go to question 2. Xiang Kun, it's your turn, darling. It took him many years to dash his fear of water, but he finally did it and learned to swim.
Overcome.
All right, thank you. The answer is overcome B. Could you tell me, so fear is something that you will overcome. All right, so you overcome fear, you overcome phobias. All right, phobia means everything to do with different kinds of fear. So what is the fear of spider? Very popular one. Shankun, what is the fear of spiders? Do you know that? Anybody here knows what's the fear of spiders?
Arachnophobia.
Sorry?
Arachnophobia.
Arachnophobia. When you're scared of spiders, you call it arachnophobia.
My
And then when you're
Wait.
scared of places like closed places like the lift, some people get very scared when they're in the lift or anywhere that is closed, it's called claustrophobia. If you're scared of
Why can't we say of close phobia?
no, we don't say closed phobia, Vihan, we say claustrophobia. All right. And then if you're scared, then why spider phobia? We can say spider phobia. What?
It's a fancy word
Yeah.
for something.
Yeah.
No, because spiders belong to this family called I'm not sure.
Arachnids.
Yeah, arachnids. So that's why I call it arachnophobia.
Yeah.
All right. If it's water, we call it hydrophobia. All right. So it's a different kind of phobia. All right. Extort. All right. So, Xiang Kun, could you tell me in what context do we use, in what situations will we use the word expel? Extort.
Subvert.
Sorry?
Expel is like the principal expel you from the school.
Okay, thank you. Expel means to get rid of. So get rid of. So school, so you can like people expelled you, or I was so I vomited, I expelled water out. You can say that. So to get rid of, all right. Extort means to take. All right, that means the gangster extorted him of money. So all right, to take it away. All right, to take it away. So extorted. So normally you talk about extort money. Expel means to get rid of. Forgo. Forgo means I let it go. That means today I forgo my meal. All right, I let it go. All right, that's not the best word to say it, but yeah. So I let it go, or I left it. Okay, I forgo my privileges to watch TV today. All right, I gave up. That will be a better way. Gave up. To forgo means to give up. All right. And this is gave up because forgo. Yeah, it's past tense, so gave up. So this is answer is B. Thank you. Let's go to number 3. Who is doing number?
Two.
Sorry.
Number 2. Subvert.
Oh, the answer is number 2. Thank you. The rebels sought to subvert the government by starting an online campaign to attack the personal life of its leaders. Pranush, could you tell me what's the meaning of subvert? It's a practically slightly more newer word.
To undermine the power of and like a system.
Thank you. Please write this down if you have a paper and pencil. Subvert means to undermine someone's power. All right. Pranush, could you tell me what's the meaning of dismantle, disintegrate, and convert? What does dismantle mean?
Dismantle means like take some sort of thing to pieces.
Thank you. You see, take it into pieces. So,
Disintegrate.
example, right? Example, Miss Gloria, of course, I'm not wearing armor. You know what's an armor, right? When you go for war, you put on an armor. So if Miss Gloria is going fighting in a war, I'm going to put a helmet, I'm going to put I'm going to wear a shield, I'm going to have a sword. So when I come back, I'm going to dismantle all of it. So get rid of, take it all into pieces, all right? Dismantle. Yeah. Or it could be a little robotic motorcycle that you put together. Could you dismantle it for me? So take it away into pieces, okay? Disintegrate. What does disintegrate mean, Pranush?
Disintegrate means to break up into smaller parts as the result of impact or a decay, like yeah.
I love the explanation he gave because disintegrate normally happens when something is decaying. All right, it's decaying, it's disintegrating. The fridge was bought in the 1950s. It is 70 years old. It is not working and it's disintegrating. All right, something like that. All right, what does convert mean? To convert means what?
Convert means
Change. All right. For example,
like change the form.
not just form. For
One
example,
person.
I'll
Like
give you an example, Pranush.
like
Miss Gloria was born Hindu, but then at the age of 3 years old, my parents, all of my parents, not all of my parents, 2 parents only, my parents, all of my family members, we converted. We changed from Hinduism to Christianity. Another way of converting is I went to Singapore. You know, I went to Singapore. So I converted all my money from Australian dollars to Singapore dollars. So to convert means to change. All right, got that, everybody? So
Yeah.
answer is B. Please mark it. Thank you. All right, and let's look at, 4. All right, 4. A lot of people believe that dash, a property of historic significance, is just plain wrong and akin to destroying a piece of history. A lot of people believe that. Whose turn is it?
Demolition.
Josiah?
Is B.
I can't hear you, darling.
Is B.
B, degrading a property.
No. Demolition.
Demolishing, thank you. All right, what does demolishing mean, darling?
Like breaking something.
Thank you. All right, to break it. All right, to get rid of. to get rid of a property of something that has got historical value,